Gujarat government has started with a new initiative of Gyan Shakti, Gyan Setu and Raksha Shakti. Now through this, students would get admission into the new schools which are created after your class 5. So there would be an entrance examination. The timeline to fill the form is from 23rd March to 5th April 2022. It's believed that more than 55,000 students are going to appear for this examination. Students studying in government schools and grant and aid schools would be able to participate. Now, what are these schemes? Gyan Shakti. So under this project, government would have 50 residential schools, and this would have a capability to have nearly 15,000 students, of which 25 would be in the tribal areas for tribal residential schools, and 7,500 students would be admitted to it. The idea is to empower using knowledge, and new courses with the demand of the time would be introduced. There would be special donations and gifts for girl child enrolling. Also, campaigns in the villages have been started with a mission to awaken people to join this Gyan Shakti campaign, and also imparting English education would be one of the ideas. So educational infrastructure, computerization of school are some of the tenements of Gyan Shakti. The next is Raksha Shakti. Now, Raksha Shakti is enhancing the security in terms of physical security, social security, and economic security. So, mitigating any kind of disasters, making Gujarat polio free, leprosy free, reducing the infant and mortality rate, and also creating a seismological research center. So through the Raksha Shakti, again there is a provision to get admissions to the various courses, and there would be 10 Raksha Shakti schools which would have a capability to have nearly 800 students. Besides this, there would be 400 Gyan Setu schools, and these Gyan Setu schools are day boarding schools. They are not the residential schools as the Gyan Shakti. So again, important. Besides this, 3 other important missions by Gujarat government important for you, which are Jan Shakti, Jal Shakti, Urja Shakti. Jan Shakti is basically involving people for grassroots level development, bringing cases into Nari Adalat, women self-help groups to be organized. Under Jal Shakti, harnessing water, statewide water grid to be created, and creation of nearly 2.25 lakh new water bodies. Then is Urja Shakti, which talks about reducing the losses being incurred by the state electricity board, the huge deposits of oil and gas in Gujarat to be explored, and making connection of electricity simplified for everyone. CNG and LNG infrastructure to be strengthened not only in Gujarat but across the nation. So those are 3 other tenements which actually work forward in this line. But yes, Gyan Shakti, Gyan Setu and Raksha Shakti are 3 important elements of the school that have been propounded by the government. The admissions for the same are ongoing. So in case anyone of your known to is able to apply, please spread the message.